His plane ticket to the University of Charleston will be returned. His dreams of becoming a pharmacist shot dead Sunday night just 100 yards from his South End home. Abdulrauf is a 19-year-old immigrant who with his family escaped the guns of Somalia 10 years ago, but could not escape the violence of Boston. Live coverage from Amalia Beretta in the South End.
Natalie, Abdullah's family came to America in search of a better life, but his dreams ended with his murder on Sunday night. Today they gave the son that they lost to violence on the streets of Boston a Muslim burial. A couple of hundred mourners came to Knollwood Cemetery in Canton for 19-year-old Abdullah's funeral. His body in a simple pine casket. His parents, who fled war-torn Somalia in the mid-90s, broken-hearted.
It's my spot. I never got forgot for him.
He's a good boy.
Good boy, yeah. It's very.
By all accounts, the Somali teen had everything going for him until a single bullet in the chest ended his life. Authorities say he was walking to his Shawmut Avenue apartment late Sunday night when two armed teenagers began to chase him and open fire. 15-year-old Eloy Sierra has been arraigned as an adult on a charge of murder. Another 15-year-old juvenile has been charged as an accessory. Abdullah recently graduated from Concord Carlisle Regional High School. The principal was among today's mourners.
It's just a terrible, terrible tragedy. He in fact was a good student. He was an excellent young man. Really, most people who know him well describe him as a gentle young man. He was kind and generous and cooperative. It's the kind of boy you could always see in the halls. He's smiling. He's with a good group of friends. Very purposeful in what he did at school, and really it's a terrible loss because he had a great future ahead of him.
In just a couple of weeks, Abdullah was scheduled to leave for West Virginia, where he had been accepted as a student at the University of Charleston. Reporting live from the South End, I'm Amalia Beretta, News Center 5.